It's said life is an institute where exam comes before learning. But the people who have constantly taken these exams face the challenges right face on with their grit, with their courage, with their firm faith and trust on the supreme power, that if the problem has come, the problem would go also. All they need to do is just to move ahead with firm faith. Whatever knowledge they possess, whatever resources they have, they just put it to battle. And my friends, they win. So such is my experiences too. And with over 3 decades of my experience of life, that too with extremes in all subjects of life, health, wealth, relationships, and along with my qualification of human biotechnology from All India Institute of Medical Sciences with gold medal and with the prizes won from the president, and at a very young age one from our Prime Minister ji. So I have been able to do a lot of research on why happened and what happened and how to go through. And the most difficult exam where I was on the deathbed and it was declared that I do not have much more hours. So it could tell me a lot about that it's not only knowledge of a particular subject, knowledge, resources, support. This triangle is required to move ahead in life. And because I want that no ambitious person, no passionate person, no hardworking person should live a life of, I would say, mediocrity, or they have to leave their ambition सपनों के लिए अपनों को छोड़ें या अपनों के लिए सपनों को. So I have been trying hard that each one of them be able to live their dreams along with their own loved ones, and they become harbinger of happiness, abundance for them, for their family, for their society. So I am on a mission, healthier, happier, progressive India, and on this channel we are going to speak about how we can elevate our lives each day. So whatever the life rules, the universal rules to be followed in whatever the difficult situation we face in any of the subjects of life, be it health, wealth, relationships, or energy, from a family person point of view, from an ambitious person point of view, from a super busy business professional point of view, I am going to share all those from time to time. So wishing a lot of luck to all the students, to youth, to my mother India, and to all busy professionals who are the people who are going to make India superpower any sooner than now. Thank you.